Ready to ditch your phone and manage your Solana directly from your desktop? First things first, let's install the Phantom Wallet extension. Open your Chrome, Brave, or Firefox browser and search for the Phantom Wallet extension in the Chrome Web Store. Once installed, the Phantom icon will appear in your browser's toolbar. Click it to open Phantom. If you already have a Phantom Wallet on your phone, fantastic! Click Import Secret Recovery Phrase. If this is your first time using Phantom, go ahead and create a new wallet. Now, carefully enter your 12 or 24-word secret recovery phrase. This is super important, so double-check that you've entered it correctly and keep it in a safe place, offline, or in a secured password manager. Next, create a strong and unique password for your Phantom Wallet. This password will be used to unlock your wallet on your computer. And that's it. You're now logged into your Phantom Wallet on your PC. Explore the Settings menu by clicking on the 3 lines menu button within the Phantom Wallet extension to customize your experience. Remember, always keep your secret recovery phrase safe and never share it with anyone.